Embarking on a journey towards a healthier lifestyle is crucial for enhancing overall well-being. By prioritizing healthy habits, such as proper nutrition, regular exercise, and mindfulness practices, individuals can boost their physical and mental health. This journey involves making conscious choices to support a balanced diet, stay active, manage stress, prioritize sleep, and cultivate a positive mindset. By setting the stage for a healthier lifestyle, individuals can lay a strong foundation for long-term health and vitality. Establishing a balanced diet is key to promoting optimal health and vitality. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, individuals can ensure they are meeting their body's nutritional needs. Fruits and vegetables provide essential vitamins and antioxidants, whole grains offer fiber and energy, lean proteins support muscle growth and repair, and healthy fats contribute to heart health and brain function. Embracing a well-rounded diet not only fuels the body but also boosts immunity, enhances energy levels, and supports overall well-being. Regular physical activity plays a vital role in enhancing overall well-being. By staying active and incorporating exercise into your daily routine, you can experience a myriad of benefits for both your physical and mental health. Exercise helps in maintaining a healthy weight, improving cardiovascular health, boosting mood and mental clarity, enhancing muscle strength and flexibility, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Whether it's through cardio workouts, strength training, yoga, or other forms of exercise, staying active is essential for a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Prioritizing mental health and well-being is essential for achieving a balanced and fulfilling life. By exploring strategies for managing stress, practicing mindfulness, and nurturing positive mental health habits, individuals can enhance their overall well-being. Managing stress through relaxation techniques, mindfulness practices, and seeking support can help in maintaining emotional equilibrium. Practicing mindfulness cultivates present-moment awareness and fosters a sense of calm and clarity. Nurturing positive mental health habits, such as gratitude journaling, self-care routines, and engaging in fulfilling activities, promotes resilience and emotional stability. Getting sufficient sleep and rest is crucial for supporting both physical and mental health. Understanding the importance of adequate sleep in promoting overall well-being involves acknowledging its role in cognitive function, immune system support, mood regulation, and physical recovery. Tips for improving sleep quality include establishing a consistent bedtime routine, creating a comfortable sleep environment, limiting exposure to screens before bed, and practicing relaxation techniques. By prioritizing quality sleep and rest, individuals can optimize their health, energy levels, and cognitive performance. Cultivating healthy habits and a positive mindset is pivotal in fostering sustainable lifestyle changes and long-term well-being. By adopting healthy habits such as regular exercise, balanced nutrition, adequate rest, and stress management, individuals can establish a solid foundation for overall health. A positive mindset involves nurturing self-belief, resilience, gratitude, and a growth-oriented attitude towards challenges. Embracing these habits and mindset can lead to increased motivation, improved self-care, enhanced productivity, and a greater sense of fulfillment in life.